Good morning, y'all. I have hiccups. They're so strong. I haven't had them in so long. It's so easy for me to achieve. That's why I haven't put up a video in a very long time, so I just decided to come and give y'all a YouTube short or something. Because, yeah. Don't mind my head. I don't really care what I look like right now. I just woke up. Yeah. Yeah, so why are my hiccups like this? Holy fudge. Can't even talk. This is a minute long already. Okay, we're gonna drink some water. I haven't gotten one. Let's see what happens. Are they gone? Oh. Waiting is been on my face. I think they're gone. So, yeah. If you enjoy this little video, love you. Bye.